and follow a system. We said we've studied this system, How to Own Your Life by Don Filer, the 45-second presentation that can change your life. This is a good workable system, and we have allowed ourselves to be mentored by him. I said, we mentioned 3 days ago that mentorship and coaching is one significant aspect of success. One of the blessings that I have is the privilege of having mentors. People I can run to and say, I want to do this, these are my thoughts, you've done it before, what do you think? You can get mentors physically, you can get mentors by reading their books. And we said there's a solid system here that works, and for the next 5 years, 4 years, we want to commit our energies to driving with it. Now, as we progressed, we had MI come and share with us what is called duplication. Share with us duplication, share with us the basic key ideas of how the system is run. She's going to give us a 3-minute summary. Please let me jam your hands together with anticipation as I welcome